Welcome to L1 TV. Pasilip tayo ng Volkswagen Das Auto, Volkswagen Tiguan. You look at this white color, dirty white. You see what you can see, the beautiful rim, look. And there's the LED lights here for the signal lights. And see that inside, we'll look at that. You look at that, the black upholstery, interior, exterior, same thing, the glove box. Then there's the gear, switching gear, and the key, and the ashtray with lighter, and the box. See up. This Porsche 5-seater small Volkswagen T-Roc. See what you see, that inside. Pure black. Black is beautiful. L1 TV, pasilip tayo ng Volkswagen T-Roc. There's the blower for AZ. And it's the fuel tank. That's that. And then you see that fuel cap. Then lock. And then what is you see in the back? Yun, T-Roc. Volkswagen T-Roc. How to open this? You see like this, then open. This inside with the spare wheel. And then look at this inside here. Black is beautiful. And then we're close. L1 TV, pasilip sa isang T-Roc. Volkswagen T-Roc. Yan, see, ang ganda ng kulay niya. Ito yung makakita niyo yung pagkakaiba nito. Ganda ng pagkakagawa. Yun, T-Roc. Pasilip ni L1 TV sa ngayong araw. Ayan, T-Roc naman. Tingnan natin kung paano paandarin natin. Stress 15. Yan, ito yung kanyang start engine button. Yun, nanda na siya. Yung kilometers niya is 24. Ayan, meron diyang timer clock. Merong USB port. Ayan, kung gusto mo mag-charge. Ayan ang kanyang button dito sa mga door. Ayan, ang ganda ng ano niya. Ngayon, pag iatas natin, tingnan natin kung meron siyang rear camera. Ayun, yun naman. Safety tayo. Meron pang surrounding area na makakita ka pagka umatras. Ito mo, kung sasabit ko hindi, magpupula yan. Ayan. Ayan naman ang ating likod. Ay, nakakita ang kamay. O, yan. Meron siyang sunroof. Ayan, o. Pakita natin ang sunroof. Ayun, nagbukas. Malapad ang sunroof niya. Hanggang dun. Ano, sarang natin. Ayun, automatic yan. Pipindot-pindot lang. Basta pindot-pindot lang. Huwag lang ba mapindot at baka mapasama tayo pagpindot. Yan, L1 TV here. Nagpasilip ulit ng Volkswagen T-Roc or Das Auto. Yan, God bless us all. Bye-bye. Thank you for your always support and watching my upload. Bye-bye, everyone. See you next time.